Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SSD optimization and I/O tuning on VPS, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your VPS server using SSH. You will need your server's IP address and login credentials. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the SSH command followed by your username and server IP to connect. Once logged in, check the current status of your SSD using the command lsblko name, type size, mount.int. Identify your SSD partition from the list displayed. Now, ensure your system is up to date. Run the command sudo apt update followed by sudo apt upgrade to install any available updates. Next, install necessary tools for optimization. Use sudo apt install yhuparm iozone 3 to get started. Once installed, check the current settings with the command sudo yhuparm i/dev/sdx, replacing SDX with your SSD identifier. Next, adjust the I/O scheduler for optimal performance. You can check the current I/O scheduler by typing cat/sys/block/sdx/q/scheduler. To change the scheduler, use echo deadline sudo t/sys/block/sdx/. Make sure to replace deadline with your preferred scheduler if necessary. Now, let's enable trim to enhance SSD longevity. Trim helps in managing free blocks efficiently. Run sudo strim-v/ to execute trim on the root partition. To automate trim, you can create a cron job. Open the cron table with sudo crontab e. Add the line 00****/spin/strim/ to schedule it daily at midnight. Next, optimize your file system settings. Edit the stab file by typing sudo nano/etc/stab. Add discard to the options for your SSD partition to enable trim on mount. Save and exit the editor. Reboot your VPS to apply all changes. After rebooting, verify the new settings by checking the I/O scheduler and trim status again. You can use sudo strim-v/ to verify trim is functioning properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.